So Adobe Photoshop has AI features now. So here are some use cases which show its potential. So basically I'm going through this Twitter thread over here. I don't have access to Adobe Firefly as of now, but I found this thread quite interesting, so I'm kind of sharing it over here. Okay, so what are these use cases for generative fill or making use of generative AI in Photoshop? So the first one is about reimagining famous album covers. So basically you can edit these album covers with whatever you want, right? Then you have this infinite zoom with After Effects. So I generated an image of a flower with Adobe Flower Firefly. Then I used Generative Fill in Photoshop to extend the original image. Then I put together infinite zoom in After Effects. So this is the kind of infinite zoom GIF which has been generated. Okay, so quite interesting. Then you have in painting and out painting. So this is another YouTube tutorial. Probably I'll link it in the description of the video. So it's about how you can do in painting and out painting with the help of Generative Fill in Adobe Photoshop Beta. Okay, remove glare from glasses. This is really cool, right? When you take a photograph, you can have glare on your glasses, especially for people like me who wear glasses. So this is quite cool. There is this explanation also over here on how it is done, right? Then you can reimagine famous painting. Okay, using Generative Fill and Adobe Firefly to create a larger format of this particular painting. Original work is shown in the center. So this is quite amazing. Okay, then bridal look magic. So using Generative Fill, just a 30-second bridal look, for a particular thing, right? Then design magic. AI Generative Fill comes to Photoshop and changes everything. Pure magic. So creating designs, right? Wow. So you can create interesting designs over here. Reimagine animation. Okay, one person's trash is another person's spaceship. So this is this animation which has been created over here. Okay, with trash and this thing, right? Add reflections. This is also another cool feature whereby you can use Generative Fill to create reflections. So this is the original image and this is the reflection, and this reflection looks very authentic over here if you look at it, right? Then you can try out different looks, right? So you can try out different looks on your photos, and all this is done via text basically in Photoshop. Okay, so this Generative Fill is basically you select some area and you enter some text, and based on that it does it. So this is an very exciting feature in Adobe Photoshop, right? So if you have access to Adobe Photoshop Beta with Generative Fill, you can also try it out. This was just a short thread sharing some use cases of generative AI in Adobe Photoshop. Okay. I hope this short video is useful for you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in another video. I'll be putting this link in the description of the video. You can also check it out.